Like other segments of the ag industry, 2020 has been a challenging year for farmers who raise pulse crops. But as the Montana Ag Network's Russell Nimitz shares, there is some help available.
From market disruptions because of trade wars to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, it's been a challenging year for the U.S. pulse industry. And that's why pulse growers like Paul Canning of Flaxville, who's also a member of the Montana Pulse Crop Committee, are encouraging other growers to visit their local farm service agency and learn more about financial assistance that's available through the second Coronavirus Food Assistance Program.
Producers need to be aware when they're going in to file their paperwork and do their application, whether they're doing it for beef or wheat or canola or alfalfa, to also make sure that they're including their pulse information so that they get the opportunity to get those funds for their pulse crops.
He says the difference between pulse crops and other commodities is that funding is based on 2019 revenue.
Wheat, canola, livestock, you're basically reporting based upon acres or number of livestock that you have. Pulses are different. It's based upon your revenue from your sales last year. And of course, FSA does not have access to that information. That's something that you have to self-report. So make sure you dig through all your paperwork and look at your sales from last year and report that number. There's a graduated scale from 10.6 down to 8.8% that you'll get back based upon those sales that you had last year.
And Paul says that pulse growers can apply for CFAP 2 through December 11th.
Absolutely. And tell your neighbors, because we all kind of get in a routine and assume that the way it was last round is the same way it's going to be this time. And that's not true in this case. So absolutely take advantage of it, use it, and tell your neighbors to do the same thing so that your neighbors get to take advantage also.
In Billings, Russell Nimitz, MTN News.
Thank you so much, Russell.